Anna from Journey to the Organized Home. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, honestly, I am a bit of a shit bitch and I'm going on a journey to a more organized home and life, and I'm here to share only the best tried and tested tips and tricks with you guys so you don't have to go through the same amount of bullshit that I am currently going through trying to get myself a little bit more clean and organized. So if that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing to my channel, but do whatever the you want. Nobody here is going to tell you what to do other than use this fabric softener. So today I'm going to talk about this shit. So this is Downy Morning Fresh. Is it? No, sorry. It's Downy Sunrise Fresh and it smells so good. So this smells like a little baby wrapped in like a freshly washed blanket. Is that weird? Yeah, it's weird. I know that sounds weird, but if you can imagine that, that's literally what this smells like. It smells really, really good and it's really, really strong. I'm going to do a little bit of a review on this. In case you haven't already realized, I think this shit is great. So that's what you wanted to hear out of this video. Skip to the end because I'm just going to be talking about how good this shit is for the next 2.5 minutes. Let me begin. Like I said, this stuff smells absolutely amazing. Not only does it smell amazing, but it stays smelling amazing for a super, super long time. They've just started selling this in Australia. I think it was last year in May. They actually put this on the shelves of Coles. What a day. The reason why I was so excited that this product has come to Australia is because I used to get my washing done in Thailand. No, I didn't used to send my washing to Thailand and get my fucking washing done. I used to go to Thailand for holidays and get my washing done. And my washing would always come back smelling super, super amazing. And it would smell super amazing for ages when I got home. Then I finally found out the trade secret is this stuff. So everyone in Thailand apparently uses this fabric softener and it makes your clothes smell legit amazing. I didn't do a video last week, apologies for anybody that gives a shit, but I didn't do one last week because I had to go to 2 different weddings for 2 very close friends. Mel and Phil, congratulations. Katie and Tui, congratulations as well. At one of the weddings, I literally had people asking me why my clothes smelled so good if I had just put on perfume, who just put on perfume. And I realized it was just because I had just put on my jumper, which I had washed in this. It's strong, so it's strong, but it smells really good. So people will notice it smells that strong. So if you don't like a strong smelling fabric softener, maybe don't use this one. Or if you do, only use a tiny little bit of it because it really does have a super strong smell. Super strong smell. This fabric softener also really helps to minimize the amount of wrinkles that you get in your clothes. You'll notice there's definitely a difference between using this and no fabric softener in terms of how many wrinkles your clothes get and keep after you've washed them. And also this definitely gives your clothes a little bit of a softer feel. I wouldn't say that it's like 10 out of 10 in this area though, probably like a 9 out of 10, but it definitely does the job in softening your clothes as well. But definitely this one excels in the smelling department. 11 out of 10 for scent and like 11 out of 10 for lasting scent. Now, this you can only get from Coles, so I don't think you can get it from Costco anymore, or at least every time I've tried to get it from Costco, it's either out of stock and it's just never come back in stock. But I know you used to be able to get it at Costco because I stupidly saw it there once and didn't buy it. So if you ever do see this at Costco, definitely buy it because it's not there all the time. But you can get it from Coles. It's a little bit expensive. That's a bit of a downside. It's $11 for this bottle. But in saying that, it goes on sale about every 6 to 8 weeks at Coles. Just make sure you get on the right like sale cycle or whatever it is. And it goes on sale for about half price. So I just consider that 2 for 1. And that's why I have like so many bottles of Downy, because every time I see it going on sale, I just buy an extra couple of bottles. Also guys, you can definitely get this in like different flavors, different fragrances, different scents in this Downy range from Coles, but I will admit I have not tried any of them because I like the smell of this one so much. If you have tried this Downy product before but in a different fragrance, I would super love to hear what it smells like, which one it is, down in the comments. Let me know below. Please give me your best descriptions. I would love to hear how creative you can be with your descriptions. I reckon clean, baby, and fresh linen is pretty accurate and pretty creative, to be honest. So I'd love to hear what you got. But this stuff is seriously amazing. I give it like 10 out of 10 stars. If I could legitimately give it 11, I actually would. It is so, so good. So if anybody was wondering why my clothes smell so good, how do you get it? This is how you get it. And that's all I came here to say today, guys. Super quick one. If you haven't tried this before, definitely give it a go. I promise you, you won't be disappointed unless you don't like your clothes to smell really strong and fresh like clean babies and fresh linen. If you like the sound of that, definitely give this a try. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Like I said, no one's going to tell you what to do other than me telling you to use this fabric softener because it's the best.